welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In today's video, I will be explaining you exercise 1.1 of integers. Okay, so let's begin with question number 1. It says following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So if you see here, it is a number line given. Okay, a number line has been given here and it shows the temperature at different places like Lahore Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Uti, etc. It is showing the temperature. Now, you have to write the values as per the number line given. You have to write the temperature at different places. Okay. So, the places are Lahore Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Uti and Bengaluru. Now, we will read the number line. If you see, it is 0 here, right? It is 0 given here, and on the right hand side of 0, we will always get the positive values, and on the left hand side of the 0 we will always get the negative values. So the temperature will be negative on the left of 0. So Lahore Spiti is here. So if it is 0, minus 5, this is minus 10. It means it is minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8 degrees Celsius. So what will be the temperature in Lahore Spiti? Minus 8 degree Celsius. This is how we write. This is the unit of temperature, degree Celsius. This is degree and then Celsius. Now if you see on Srinagar, this is 0, 1 and 2. But it is again on the left hand side of the 0. So it will be negative. So it becomes minus 2 degrees Celsius. Shimla lies on the right hand side of 0. So it will be a positive number. So if you see Shimla is exactly at 5. So the temperature will be plus 5 degrees Celsius, or you can directly write as 5 degrees Celsius. Even if you don't mention plus, that is understood that it's a positive integer. Now next is Uti. Uti is right here. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13. So the temperature of Uti will be how much? 14 degree. This is 1, 2, 3 and one more partition will be here. So the temperature at Uti will be how much? It is going to be 14 degrees Celsius. Now Bengaluru, how much will be the temperature? 20, 21, 22. So this is 22 degree Celsius. So this was part A, in which we have observed the number line to write the temperature of the different places. Now the B part of this question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? If you see the number line carefully, the hottest place is what? Bengaluru, where the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, the highest. So this is your hottest place, right? And the coldest place is what? The coldest place is Lahore Spiti, where the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. And you have to find the difference, temperature difference between these two places. So how we will do that? First, we will write these statements as temperature of hottest place. And which is your hottest place? It is Bengaluru. How much is the temperature? It is coming out 22 degrees Celsius. The next statement we will write as temperature of coldest place. Coldest place means when the temperature is going in negatives, and it is Lahore Spiti. And how much was the temperature there? Minus 8 degree Celsius. So we have first written the temperature for hottest and coldest. Now we have to calculate the difference between temperature. Now how do we calculate the difference? 22 is bigger than minus 8. So we will subtract it. 22 minus, and another number we will always take along with the sign, and we can write it as degree Celsius. Now if you open the bracket, minus and minus in multiplication becomes plus. So this will be 22 plus 8 degrees Celsius, which gives you 30 degree Celsius. It means the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place is 30 degree Celsius. Hence, the temperature difference between, it is important that you write the complete statements, right? Hottest and coldest place is how much? 30 degree Celsius. Okay. Let's see C part of this question. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? So Lahaul Spiti temperature was how much? -8. And Srinagar temperature is how much? We have written Srinagar temperature as -2 degrees Celsius. And then we have to calculate the difference. Okay. So again we will write the statement as temperature of Srinagar is how much? -2 degrees Celsius, right? And then temperature of another place is Lahaul Spiti. How much is the temperature at Lahaul Spiti? -8 degrees Celsius. Now we have to calculate the temperature difference. So we can write temperature difference. How much? -2 is bigger than -8. So we will write -2 minus -8. Let's put it like and degrees Celsius. First thing, we will open the brackets. -2 minus and minus, when you open the bracket in multiplication, right, becomes plus. So this is -2 plus 8 degrees Celsius, which will give you minus plus minus with the sign of bigger number 6 degree Celsius. Therefore, the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is how much? 6 degree Celsius. So you have to be very careful when you are opening the brackets in integers. Now there is another part which is D part of this question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? So two places temperature, which is Srinagar and Shimla, when taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. So if you add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, is it less than the temperature at Shimla? First question. Then is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar is the second part. So first let's see the temperature at different places. Temperature of Srinagar is how much? We have just written -2 degree Celsius. Another place is Shimla. So we will write temperature of Shimla from the number line we have observed. It was how much? +5 degrees Celsius. Now when these two temperatures, Srinagar and Shimla, are taken together means add it up. So sum of above two temperatures is how much? -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius is giving you how much? 3 degrees Celsius. Now first question was, is the sum less than the temperature at Shimla? So sum is coming out how much? 3 degree. But the temperature at Shimla is how much? 5 degrees Celsius. So sum is lesser than the temperature at the Shimla, right? So temperature of Shimla is how much? 5 degrees Celsius here. So you can write, since 5 degrees Celsius is greater than 3 degrees Celsius, right? Hence, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is lesser than the temperature at Shimla, right? So this was first part. We have added up and we have compared that 3 degrees Celsius is lesser than 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, their sum is less than the temperature of Shimla. Now in second part in the same question it says, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? It means the sum which we have taken, which is coming out how much? 3 degrees Celsius. So now you see 3 degrees Celsius and -2 degrees Celsius, which is greater, of course. Now 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2 degrees Celsius, right? Hence together temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is greater than the Srinagar's temperature. Hence together temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is greater than Srinagar's temperature. I hope this question is clear to you. So this was question number 1 of this exercise. Let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer. It means if a student attempts a question and if it is correct, we are giving positive marks. And negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If any wrong answer is there, so it means negative marks are given. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. It means these are the marks for the first round, second round, third round, fourth round and fifth round. What was his total at the end? So you have to calculate the total. So we know we can write the statement as Jack's score of 5 successive round. How much it is given? We can write it as 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10. We have to calculate the total score, means we have to add all the scores. So total score will be how much? 25 plus minus 5. We'll put the negative integers in the brackets, and in next step only we will open the bracket, plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So first, the easiest way is that you compile all the positive integers together. So 25 is a positive integer, another positive integer is 15 and 10. So let's put them together, and this becomes plus minus. When you open this bracket, plus minus is minus 5. Similarly here, plus minus when are in multiplication, minus 10, correct? 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 15 will be how much? 50. Now minus 5 and minus 10. When there are two negative integers, they will be added with the sign of negative number. 50 minus 15 will be 35 marks. So the score of Jack after 5 successive rounds is how much? 35. We will first solve all the positive integers together. We have added these negative integers and then solve it step by step. So the total score of Jack after 5 successive rounds is 35. Okay. Let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Okay. And then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So whenever there is a rise in temperature, when the temperature rises, we always show it with a positive integer. Whenever there is a drop in temperature, it is represented with a negative integer, right? There are other examples also. If we deposit any money in the bank, it is represented with a positive integer. And if you take, right, if the amount has been withdrawn from the bank account, then we always represent it with negative integer. Similarly, if we have a sea level, right, this is your sea level, suppose it is 0. Anything, any height above the sea level will always be positive, and anything below the sea level will always be negative, right? If we talk about the submarine, so this distance will be negative because submarines are supposed to be under sea. Then helicopter, aeroplanes, these things are above the sea level because they are in the sky. So their heights will always be positive. So these are few basic things. I will be explaining all these things with you to you when we will be doing the questions. Okay. Now let's see, the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Okay, so there is a drop in temperature. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rises by 4 degrees Celsius. Now, it has been rose by 4 degrees Celsius, and you have to tell what was the temperature on Wednesday. So again, this question has two parts. So we will first write the statement. If you see, temperature on Monday is how much? Minus 5 degrees Celsius, right? Temperature drop is how much? How much it has been dropped by? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. This is the drop in temperature. So it means you have to first tell temperature on Tuesday. So the temperature which was minus 5 degrees Celsius, now there is a drop by minus 2 degrees Celsius, correct? If you open the bracket, minus 5 degrees Celsius plus minus minus means minus 2 degrees Celsius, which gives you minus 7 degrees Celsius, right? Two negative integers are added with a negative sign. So it means the temperature on Tuesday is how much? Temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius. So this is first part. Now what happens on Wednesday? The temperature has increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature increased by how much? Plus 4 degrees Celsius. So when it was -7, but now on Wednesday it has been increased by +4. So you have to tell the temperature on Wednesday. So how much will be the temperature? Temperature on Wednesday will be how much? Earlier it was -7, now it is increased. Increased means +4. Which gives you opposite integers are subtracted with the sign, the greater number. So -7 plus 4 is -3 degree Celsius. So this was the temperature on Wednesday. So this was question number 3 of this exercise. Please do watch my next video for next questions. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone.